There were times that you deserved to be put out in the pasture, but you were given a second chance. There were times when you should have gotten it raw and hard and had the consequences and the book thrown at you, but grace spared you. There were times when you fell down and somebody helped you get back up. April is Successful Reentry Awareness Month. And it's a time for us to hit pause for just a minute and let's reflect on the times when you didn't get it right. You see, we all say, I'm for second chances. I believe in second chances. But when it comes time for us, we feel hurt and betrayed when it's not given to us. There are people that say they ain't for second chances. There are some that say you mess up with me one time and that's it. But the truth of the matter is, they've been given a second chance. There are times in your marriage when you should have not been given grace, not have been forgiven, but you were. There have been times when other people's confidence and trust in you was shaken, but they chose to have faith in you anyway. There have been times when not loving you would have been easy, but somebody reached down deep inside of them and they chose to love you in spite of. You see, we all have been given a second chance. And the truth of the matter is we all needed it, and we all will need it. Whether it's in your business where you have made costly mistakes, whether you have had opportunities to slip through your hands, whether it has been where you wanted to quit, but you didn't. Successes aren't built on just the mistakes. They are built on the second chances that you give and that are extended to you. There are times in your marriage when you were hard to love, but somebody loved you anyway. There was time in your family where your siblings and your parents could have easily said, I'm through with that person. They through with you, but they chose to give you a second chance. There were times when you got it wrong and you got it wrong bad. And in spite of, you were given that second chance. You see, second chances and reentry is not just for the incarcerated. It's for us in our everyday life. Whether it's in our married life, whether it is in our ministry, whether it is in our business, second chances are all around us, and everybody needs them. Jesus was a God of second chances, and I'm so glad he is. There have been times when I should have been thrown out to the pasture, when I should have had the full consequence of whatever my wrong was. But grace is what he gave me instead. You see, there are those of you who are like me. We love hard. We give with our all. We go over and beyond, over and over and over again. And yet, when it comes our turn, it's not given. And it's so easy for us to say, I'm not going to love again. I'm not going to give again. I'm not going to forgive again. When the truth of the matter is, God didn't stop giving us second chances, and we shouldn't for the next person. God is a God of second chance. We don't deserve it. They didn't deserve it. Maybe that family member don't deserve your forgiveness. But I'd like to encourage you to reach down deep and see if you can extend grace, because grace has been extended to you. April is all about second chances, not just for reentry, persons who are returning from arrest and imprisonment. But I want to challenge you to think about the second chances that have been given to you in your life and those that you give to others. You see, we all need second chances. And the deeper the hurt, the harder the wound, the harder the break, the harder it is. This forgiveness thing, it can be tough, but the rewards of it, so sweet. So sweet. You're worth it. I'm worth it. Your ministry is worth it. Your business is worth it. Your marriage is worth it. And your loved ones too. I am for second chances. Thank you for tuning in. Share this message with somebody that you know needs to hear it. And I want to encourage you to think about who in your life don't deserve a second chance. But because of the grace you have been given, you're willing to step up to the plate and give grace. I'm Candy Christoph. You've tuned in for another legacy lesson. Tune in again next Tuesday for another legacy lesson. And bye-bye for now.